Hi friends! The weather got cold, so my mom told us let's go for grocery shopping for 1 month. So today I'm gonna share what we bought, and I think it's a lot of stuff, but like I said, 1 month. So in produce, we got cauliflower, and by the way, we got this all from Walmart. As you can see, the size of the cauliflower, it's quite big. And we got avocado, very healthy for your health. We got 2 flowers of broccoli, again healthy for you. We got 2 zucchinis. I'm gonna show you the zucchinis because they look really fresh. And we also got Roma tomatoes because my parents love salad with them. And we got cilantro. I think it's really hard to cook anything without cilantro. Smells good. And mint. So that's all for produce. So now it's time for frozen meat. So we got this yummy golden king crab. As you can see, I am not able to show you the right size, but we're gonna of course share a recipe with this later on with you guys, so you might wait for it. But on the picture, as you can see, it's quite big. So there goes the crab. We also got 2 packets of shrimp because we use shrimp in different curries and everything. And we are also planning to make pizza. So we will be needing shrimp for that. And we also will share that with you. This is something new we bought. It's called pollock skinless fillet. I usually eat either tilapia or salmon, so this is something new that we're gonna try this month. And of course, we're gonna share with you how it tastes and everything like that. This is something new we got. It is like the roasteria chicken, but only the drumstick. It is already cooked. But I haven't thought of any recipes yet for this, but we're gonna try something new and enjoy with you guys. And we got this ground turkey. We got the honeysuckle because there were a lot of controversies regarding Jennie-O brand or whatever, salmonella and all those stuff. So just for safer side, honeysuckle. We usually use this for making puff pastries. If you browse through my videos, you can see we have already shared a recipe for that. And for pizza, we will be needing the cheese. And as I was talking about the puff pastry sheets, we got those 2. Butter, but as most of my family members have blood pressure, we recommend unsalted. And non-fat yogurt. I usually don't like the vanilla flavor, so we just buy the plain yogurt, and Danone is the brand. For milk, we always get the DHA omega-3. I prefer 2% because for me the skim milk is really light and I don't like the texture. So that's all for frozen. And for eggs, we always get the jumbo white because my mom loves the 2 yolks inside. We got tuna in water. We always recommend the water one because I'm not sure how the oil will taste. We will be making, I think, tuna kebab with this later on, and share the recipe with you guys. We got the iodinized sodium, the salt. And we got this one, low sodium, for making either pasta, or we will be using this for the pizza. Rather than that, we got some napkins. Now I usually buy this brand because they are the best. Others, they kind of wear out very easily. So we got 2 packets of those. We got these plates. They are really strong and best. As you can see, there are a lot of space. I just love these plates. We got bowl. This one, as you can see, a lot of them, so it will last me maybe more than 1 month. We got forks and spoons. We usually use the plastic forks and spoons so we don't have to waste water too much. Use it and throw it. So flu season is here. Hope you guys got your flu shots. They are helpful. So don't forget to get your flu shots this year. This tissue for if, for instance, I become unlucky and get the flu. So I bought our light bulbs from Meyer maybe 4 years ago, and they lasted me for a long time, but this year we need to change the light bulbs. So this is the one that I got from Walmart. They're great value, cheaper price. I think they were around $8. They have 4 bulbs inside, and I think they're really good. LED also. And this one is for my mom. It's 32 mahogany brown, the Revlon. That's for our water filter. And we got these for our night lights. I don't like sleeping in the dark, so my sister and I, we just love these lights. They have this tiny little switch, so they are not automated. And they also have the bulb inside. They were around $148. We got this roll of CD for my mom because she loves some music and I have to burn them for her. Voila! Chocolates! For me and my sister, mostly. And we got the Pond's cream. 2 of them because it's winter. We do need a lot of moisturizer for our skin. We usually get this one, not the other cold cream. I have been using this since my childhood and they are really good for my skin. And this one, I think I don't have to tell everyone why we use it, but again, I use this for removing my nail color. They're very good. I got few of the nail color today. I haven't tried black before, so I'm gonna give the black a try. And this is kind of a dark color, but I'm gonna see how it looks and show you guys. These are for the nasal strip. They're very good. The Prilosec if I have heartburn sometimes. And the Cellon Plus for any painful joint or anything. It's winter. And this is the paste that we always use, the toothpaste. It's good and makes my teeth more bright, I guess.
Next.
Ew. And Christmas. So from the Indian grocery, we bought maida flour. We use that to make our tortilla bread, which look like this. And someday we're gonna show you how we make the roti or tortilla bread. We got the milk powder, Nido. You can also get that at Walmart or Meijer. This is something that I think we usually get at Indian groceries, which is the masala tea. And my mom bought some vegetables. Among them we have beans. They look really fresh. And she got potatoes. Look at the size. Looks good, fresh. And she got some chilies, which of course are not for me. As you can see, they are of different colors. I'm usually scared of chilies because of my heartburn, so no chilies for me. So that's all for the Indian grocery. Hope you like it. So as we were shopping, my sister suddenly noticed that they got few Christmas items left and they are 75% off. So we got this. Usually it's $7.98 to decorate the Christmas tree or any other Christmas decoration, but we got it at around 36 cents. We got this cute cookie cutter. We're gonna use it mostly for decorating our dishes probably, and few big flowers for our Christmas tree next year. And this is something interesting. We got a plant. As you can see, the roots inside the vase, and we got this bulb. So hopefully it's gonna grow pretty like the picture. It was around $3. So as you can see, the flower color is really pretty, and that's the reason we bought it. So hopefully we're gonna have lovely flowers, and of course we're gonna show you what comes out of it. And we got this vase also. I don't remember the price, but it was in the Valentine Day shelf. So it looks really pretty, but the sad part is made up of glass. I wanted a plastic so I don't break it. But yeah, it looks pretty. So this is what we bought for this January. Most of the stuff will last us for more than a month. I forgot to mention I got 3 night dresses for my mom. They're a little bit loose, but for nighttime she prefers not too tight clothes. They were around $10, I believe, but the best part, they are made up of cotton, so very comfy. So that's all we have for today. Hope you guys liked my video, and we're gonna keep on sharing different recipes with you with all these items we bought. Please like my video and leave comments below, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.